Hey guys, it's Aset here. Welcome back to my channel. I am outside in my apartment hallway embarrassing myself, but it's okay because we're coming back with a new video for you. So today's video is going to be how to belly dance part 2. So you guys were asking me to do a full body shot so that way you guys can see what I'm doing with my legs as well. So that's why I'm out in my hallway in people's way. So let's go ahead and get started with today's video. I'm just going to be showing you guys the exact same thing that I showed you last time, but hopefully you're able to see more of what I am doing. So first, I was mentioning that what I like to do is kind of have my feet a little bit spaced out. They're kind of right beneath me, not super close together, but a little spaced out. What I'm going to be doing is lifting this hip up. You can also tell by my white band where my hip is. So I'm moving this hip up. I'm also bringing up my foot. So the heel of my foot is actually up while I am doing this. So I'm lifting up the heel of my foot, which also brings up my hip. And what I'm doing is moving my body to the right with my hip still poking out. So that is what I mean by when I'm saying I'm swaying. I'm moving to the right, and now I'm bringing down my foot so that my foot is completely flat on the ground. That is the hip sway motion. So I'm just lifting the heel of my foot, which brings my hip up, swaying to the right side and bringing my hip down. Now you'll do the same thing but in the opposite direction, lifting up your left foot, swaying to the left and bringing it down. Once you get that, you can keep doing it on one side if you want to kind of get you used to the motion. Once you get the motion down, you can start alternating. There we go. So you just bring one hip up, down, down. So I feel like this is the easiest way. Right now you're pretty much belly dancing, but once you get this down, you can just bring your feet together. And once you do that, you're doing the same thing. You're just bringing one hip up and swaying it down. Once you start alternating that, it also gives you that appearance of doing a belly dance. You can add your own style to it. You can dance to the rhythm, whatever you're doing. You can even bend your knees a little bit. And that's just gonna bring you lower to the ground. So you can actually bend your knees, straighten them up, do whatever kind of combinations that you would like to. That's gonna result in you doing a belly dance. So that's pretty much all that I have for this video. Again, it is the part 2 to the first video. I'll have that other one linked down below if you want to take a look at that. It is a little bit louder out here, so I hope that you guys were able to hear me, and I hope that you guys enjoyed my part 2. If you have any more questions, please leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I don't wanna fun that.